I'm going to take a look at these Soundcore Vortex Bluetooth headphones by Anker. Anker have produced like a ton of batteries that recharge your phone. They've obviously branched out into doing accessories like these. They're actually priced at around £60 at the moment, but the slightly newer model is even cheaper at £52. So let's have a look, see what's in the box. They're supposed to last about 20 hours on battery, have AptX support, they charge over Bluetooth, not over Bluetooth, over USB, but if they charge us over Bluetooth. Right, you get a this kind of hard shell travel case, and they're inside. There's nothing else in that box. Here they are, all neatly folded up. It has memory foam cushions, and you can kind of see that those come out slightly squashed when they've been in the case, but those will sort of puff back out. Adjustable on there, and you can see that hinging in. Try not to catch your finger in that. I have, and it's not nice. So a decent level of adjustability. Buttons on there for volume control, up and down. Nothing on the other side. And then if you turn them over, you've got the power button. There is a 3.5mm jack, so that you can have it in wired mode, so you don't need to use Bluetooth all the time. And under the cover here is the charging port. So to turn it on, you would press and hold the power button, and there's a little light. We should see a light. There we go. And it makes a noise as it boots up and pairs with the device. And quite a neat touch here is, if you can see on the iPad here at the top there, you've got the headphone indicator and the battery level, which I thought was quite a nice little feature. So you can see how much battery power is left in the headphones. It's good. Let's have a look what else there is. A little user manual. And quick start guide. And that's all. Oh yeah, you can tell left and right by the fact that it's got L and R inside the headphones. That's quite clever. It's not in the band like it is on some headphones. Oh, it's cushioned at the top there. It's good. What else? Feedback card. And then let's see what's got in here. Okay, so we've got a cable for USB charging and a 3.5mm jack for wired connection. With an inline mic with a mute button. So overall, sound quality is pretty good. Noise cancellation, which it's supposed to have, I think, is poor. I don't think that it didn't sound to me like there was any noise cancellation going on at all. So I'd have to check whether that is actually a feature within this one. It is a feature in the upgraded model. So if that's something you're looking for, look at the upgraded model, because sound isolation isn't bad with the over the ear cups that you've got here, but the actual noise reduction is I don't think it really has any effect on the listening experience. The Sonys that I've got are better for that, and probably the slightly newer model of these will achieve better results. But overall, pretty good for the price. I kind of wish that I'd got these maybe instead of the Sonys, although maybe the upgraded model with better sound reduction. So yeah, there you go.